Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get gold font in Canva. Alright, let's begin. First, open Canva and go to the Elements tab. In the search bar, type gold texture. Scroll down and choose any gold texture style you like. Select one and resize it to fit your design. Next, click on Apps in the left menu, and after that, scroll down and search for Font Frame in Apps and open it. Click on this box and enter the text you want to turn into gold. Click on this and then choose any font you prefer. Now make sure your gold texture image is selected. Then click Use Selected Image. Press Add to Design and your text will appear with the gold effect applied. You can now delete the extra image if it is still on your canvas. Finally, reduce the outline to 0 for a clean look. So that's basically how you can get gold font in Canva. That's it for this video. Thanks.